Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Blender on Linux. So, in order to install Blender on Linux, I will go into the browser on the official website of Blender and I will show you what we need to download. So, maybe at the beginning I will tell you what is a Blender. Blender is basically an open source 3D creation program. It is very useful, so I will show you how to install it. And we will type Blender for Linux right there, and we'll go into the first site that is here, or I don't know, maybe we'll try this. So docsblender.org, we will go into it, and now we have two options. I think the one is from Snap. Snap will work on Ubuntu, I think, by default, but I will use the package manager because it will work for everyone. So now we have to go into the blender.org site and we have to download the binary file, basically the tar archive. So I will press on download Blender, and we have to right now download our tar file. So I will pause the video and I will go back to you after my downloading will be finished. So as you can see, my download is finished, and now we can move to the terminal. And right now we have to, of course, extract that at the beginning. So I will go into download directories, so it will be easier for me. Not cat, but cd. I made a mistake, of course. And right there we have some tar files that I used before, but we need a blender.tar.xz. And right now we have to extract that. How can we do it? We can do it by typing in tar-xz. If you don't know how to use tar, you can watch my video when I described how to use tar, but simply you have to type something like this. Press tab in order to fill the whole name and press enter. Now we have to wait a bit, of course, because this file had almost 400 megabytes, so it might take some time. So we have to be patient, we have to wait. And after this we will be able, as you can see, now if I will list that, as you can see, I have a Blender folder right there. We have to go into it, so again cd, and we have to fill it with tab, and here we have something what we call Blender, and we have to launch it. We can launch it by typing in /and Blender, and that's how can you use Blender on Linux. Of course we have to wait a bit. Right now it might take some time because this is our first basically opening on this program, so it might be longer than usual, but as you can see, we can use Blender like this. You have the second option. If you don't want to use terminal, you can close that. You can go into the files. You can basically move this folder from the downloads whenever you want. So you can go into this and you can simply tap on Blender and you can run it from there. It is also working. So this is how you can install Blender on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.